everyone, welcome to Shakil's Design with a new design video. Today we will create a simple educational mobile apps and design to login page and profile page. So we design these apps in Adobe XD. And one thing, if you new here, please subscribe my channel for upcoming new video. So let's start our new design and new tutorial. So here is the Adobe XD. Just open here. First we're going to select a frame for mobile apps, and we're going to select iPhone 13 frame, and we work in here in this framework. So we already take this artboard, and first we need a color plate, because you already see the design preview. So first we select the color plate, which color we going to use in this app. So I have sub color already. I select this. So here is a 4 color. We use this for this app. And now we rename the artboard, because we going to create the 3 artboard in here, and after creating the artboard we're going to be a prototype also. So first we're going to create a simple logo. Okay, so just a simple logo as an example. We not create more time in here, just a example logo we create in here. So I moving fast forward this section, so it's going fast. Okay, so we done our dummy logo and padding this logo already. Now we're going to create background graphics. We take a pen tool and draw a line to make a graphics in here, and we should use a solid color, and we're going to be red. We already select our color plate, and here we use a image. I already select an image. So here is our ready image here. I remove the background and take it here. We need to mark this image, because this image take huge space, so we need to mark this image. We take a rectangular and it is draw with the image size and make it marks. Yeah, Then we create another layer, background layer, and it's coming up on the guard. Put it on the guard lower part, and we need to change this color and attribute. We need it little bit small in here. Need to adjust properly. And you see, I always take the grid line. Grid line is so important. Okay, so now is adjust in middle. So we already done our background image, simple background image, our app's background image. Now we start some text in there. We use simple text in here. We need to fix the color. As a simple text, first of all we need a light color. We're going to use light color, and the text must be going to so small, and we use Poppins, my favorite font. We need to adjust the color. I already told we use a light color. So we adjust the padding in here. When we design these apps or design anything, we must be follow the padding and alignment perfect. So we take this color, text color, and also we save it our asset palette, because we reuse this color, and text size and text weight. So this is save our time when you use next time. Now we're going to write our title. So this is our title. Basically we're going to design a simple starter page. When we open a apps, the starter page is come up, so that page we will design here. So we use two options in there, and skip now, and another is next now. If someone skip this page, he or she can easily skip on next. So we're going to be design a next button. We're going to use the red color, so the button text color must be going white. The button we maybe need to adjust as a little button in there. So we need to fix our rounder and button size, and must we follow the alignment. Sorry, my mobile is ringing. So we put this button is so small as a text, and we need to fit it perfectly. The text size is maybe perfect in my side. It's look good. So we alignment the skip now and the button in a perfect ratio. So our first page is ready. So take a look. Yeah, it's look good for me in my side. Okay, so we need to go to design our next page. So I copy the artboard and duplicate this. Keyboard control, press the control, hold the control and drag in mouse. So you copy the artboard easily. So we no need to the background image in there. So we need direct and text in there, the login text. So we need to put in there the h2 tag. In our asset we select this as a h1. Sorry, that was not h2, it was h1 tag. So we write here, hey, that login now. Just simple text. As a sample text we just use this for now, and I think it's okay. We need to check here the alignment. Yeah, the alignment is perfect is now. So I'm going to delete this. We don't need anymore this thing. So now we have to going to write here as a create new account. So we need to write here all this stuff perfectly. If someone have no account in there and someone have a totally new, so they need to create in their account. So we need to link up these things, and we highlight this text perfectly. So if someone new, they can create their account easily, and they can find their create new account option. So we just simply draw a line in there. Sorry. So now we need to adjust the whole thing, because we need to create our login credential in there. So first we need a placeholder. First we need to create a placeholder, login placeholder. So first the username come up. Sorry, I need to create the page name. So every artboard need a unique name. Okay, so we need to organize our work properly, and Adobe XD is one of the good tools for designing UI. So we need to design our first placeholder to put in the username, login username, and no, this color is not. We need to go to design a active mode when someone click in their username. So that's time how it look like. So we need a active placeholder. So our primary color is like magenta blue, canoin blue. So you can go with this color. I think it's work good. So when someone write in their username, so how the placeholder look like, so we call it the active placeholder. We need to change the text color. First we need to adjust the alignment. Alignment is most important thing. Okay, we need to change the color. Yeah, dark color is maybe it looks good, but username maybe, yeah, it's look good. So when someone write in their username, that time the placeholder is look like that. Then we create the password section. After put their username, they come up the password section, and password section is going to the normal mode, because we design the two things. And when the placeholder is normal mode, default mode, so this look like this, and we write there the password, and must be the text size is little small. Yeah, I think it's good, and the alignment is almost perfect. Yeah, so we also need to write the forget password option, because this is also necessary. We need to make sure our every folder name or every layer name perfectly. So we need to write here to the forget password option. So we write here the forget, sorry, my spelling mistake, forget passcode or password is better, I think. Password, let's simply write in there. And we change the font size, and we make as a link. Yeah, I think is good, and we no need to next button in there because there is no work as a next button. We need a login button, so we need to, the button is big in there, so match our placeholder, login placeholder, and the button color must be red in there because our secondary color is the red. And the text size must be going big because this is our special button. Maybe all capital is looks good. Yeah, and spacing the letter are looking good maybe. So sorry, so we need to adjust the middle and padding. Yeah, the text and the button is now in middle position. I think it's perfect for now. And now we need to skip now in here also, because if someone no want to log in there and want to see the interface of the apps, so they can have a chance. So we need to put in there the skip now option as well, because user experience is most important thing. If someone don't want to log in fast or don't want to register in there, so they want to skip in there and go to the overview the apps, so it's necessary, I think. So now I here adjust the padding, and I think 80 is good. The lower padding 80 pixel is good, I think. So our every artboard lower padding is must be 80 pixel. Now it's perfectly adjust. Okay, we just leave in there. Our second page is ready, the login page, and we need to adjust some little bit. Yeah, I think it's good. Let's see, get a preview. Yeah, it's look good, the preview look good for me. Now we're going to design our third page, and hold control and mouse over, and we copy our third page, and we need to rename first. Every artboard is need a unique name, because when we going to prototype, it's so important that time. So at the point we no need the H1 text here, and also we no need the logo, because we already coming up in your apps. After login, we coming up our we enter our apps. So we put here other option like back, and also we need to push a hamburg like a menu. So we're going to create a menu option in there. So 3 dot, say good for design a menu. So we're going to create a 3 app. We quickly design this. So we just take a group, rebel group, it's look little big. We need to little small in there. Maybe now it's good, and we need to adjust the space is little increase in there. We need to reduce the gap. Yeah, now I think it's look good. We need to adjust the alignment. The alignment is perfectly at okay. So we no need to hear to the these things. So we take the wall element and just select the wall and take away the right side. So first thing first, we copy this graphics again and just Ctrl V and place in there. And this is our profile page, so we need a profile photo frame. So profile photo place, we need to create a profile photo placeholder. So we take a rectangle. So profile photo is most important in every profile page. So we take a rectangle tools and draw a profile placeholder. Not more rounded, it's little rounded, I think is good. Maybe 10 or 15 is good. We need to put some drop shadow, so it look little good in there, but the background not looking so good. In the red side, the background red side is slow blurry. The white color is come there, so it's not look perfect, but we need to adjust. We reduce the blur. No, it's not looks good. Actually, when we design, you need to implement every time so many things, repeat and repeat, repeat and repeat. You need to adjust, you need to check So I place a image in there. I have already downloaded this image, so I think we no need the drop shadow, because without drop shadow it looks simple and good. So now we need to adjust the image, and now we need a photo change option, because someone here come to change their photo or change their profile image, so we need to create that option in there. So we take ellipse tool and we need to put a icon or change their profile image. So in icon, I think camera icon is good. I already download this camera icon. We need to adjust the icon in there and we need to perfectly adjust. Yeah, we must be highlight this little bit, so visitor must be see this, notice this. Yeah, it's good in my side. So now we going to create some elements. Some text elements actually, because in a profile this is a educational profile, so you apply some review or some, this is all stuff is dummy stuff in there, so we need to place some content in there. Applied is good. Maybe applied 20, like something 36. Just a just all dummy things in there. It's going to be little big because this is the highlight section. Yeah, I think it looks good. Sorry. Yes, now it's look better. We need to adjust the gap. Yeah, now is okay. So we need to design the other some elements and other some content, so I'm going to be fast forward this time, this section. So we done here our content, and maybe it's look good. Our three contents is there, and now we're going to our profile element. We're going to design our profile element here. Now we're going to design. Maybe we need to adjust our profile image. Previously it looked so big, now it's going good, I think. Because every time when you design, you need to see your adjustment. If you think, or your eye is thinking this is not perfectly or not adjust this thing, so you time to time, again and again, you need to adjust the whole thing. I select this whole thing and little bit going up, and I need to adjust this content as well. So we no need the login button in there. So first we need a h3 tag, h3 headline, okay. Complete profile details, no, not a details, complete profile sector, no, not section is good, I think. This is all dummy example. We need to adjust the text weight and size, delete the login button. So we need to create here two profile box, just example box. First you take a rectangle and draw a frame. No need the border. We round it little bit. No, we need a light color. That's look good. That, so not this color. Yeah, this color is perfectly looks good, I think. Yeah, we need to padding this perfectly. So we need to place here our icon, some text. So complete this box. So we just copy this box as a Control D and adjust the size, and the icon box is must be white because our background color, the main background color is white. So we need to alignment this. I already download this icon. Always use the SVG icon because SVG icon is good to use and it's not pixelized when you develop and when you see, and you can change the color perfectly. So SVG icon is good. So we need to put some content in here. As a profile content, we give a name as a education as a title, and how many steps left this profile. There's this profile section. Maybe 4 steps left. Make this little big so the visual hierarchy look like highlighted. I think bold is perfect. The color is perfect. Yes, we use the darken color. And we draw a line to go up to mention the next. If someone click in there to go the next page, yes, now it's perfect for me. We select the whole things and make a group already. You see our box is little big in there. We need to adjust because we have 4 column in there, so every box going to be used 2 column. So the next box come with a 2 column. We need another color in there, so we use a different color. OMG, red color is not look good. We need a light color because our text is black. The red light is not look perfect. We need totally different color. I think we need a totally different color because this is the complete profile section area. So complete profile section area we can use the different type of color to go with their complete profile section name. So we can use here totally different color. So we're going here a little yellow. I think it's look good in my side. We need to place there another icon. I have already downloaded this. OMG, it's a huge. So we need to put in there the B plus icon is perfectly, and we need to adjust the size because our another icon size and this icon size is going to be same. Yeah, I think it's good. We need to align this. I think it's look good. We need to change the content. Yeah, and we need a paid option in there. So write a content by pro like something amount $30.99. This is a dummy amount. Must be linkable. Yeah, now it's perfectly middle position. So now we need to adjust the whole page, the every element we need to adjust. I think it's perfect. Yep, no need to other element. The design is almost complete and it's perfectly done. I think we designed the 3 page in there, the starter page, started page, the login page, and the profile page, simple profile page. The all design is so totally simple, and you can see how to easily design this page, how the tools I use. So here you can see the prototype. I select the prototype and I select the button. So which button click and going the next page. So I indicate this. The back is coming up the previous page, and the logo when click is come the front page. Yep, the simple prototype is ready. And also we need to the skip option. Skip now. When someone click on skip, they also going the next page, the login page, and here skip they go the second page. Just example, not going this because he or she don't have the account in there. So prototype is, so let's play. So I think it's worked perfectly. You see, when I click the next page, it's come the login page. After login page, it comes out the profile page. Okay, and when I click in the back, and the logo, it comes the front page. So skip now, and here is a skip now, all is come. So it's a cool. So I think it's look good. So let's check again with like a presentation. So skip now, login, and back. It's perfectly work. So guys, if you like this design or like this video or like this tutorial, just subscribe my channel, and if you have any more question or any question about this design, just write down the comments section. I will try to answer all the comments. And if you think this channel is good for you to learn a design, just subscribe my channel. So have a nice day. Bye bye.